Today, I will show you a new binary option trading strategy with minimal risk on pocket option, which even a beginner can handle. Hello everyone, hello my lovelies, Olivia Trader is with you as always, and you're on my channel about trading, financial markets and motivation. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then click on the subscription and click on the like button. Also, don't forget that I have a Telegram channel where I share my free trading signals, tips and insights every day. Check out my Telegram channel. A link to it can be found in the description below this video. Let's start the coolest new pocket option strategy. Today we will be running a win-win strategy with an interesting and unusual combination of indicators, friends. So I will show you what indicator we are going to use today, and we will be also accelerating our deposit from just $50 to about $4,000. Okay, we have all the indicator, and we will be using such an interesting combination of Bollinger Bands today, and the next indicator would be the CCI. Yeah, one more indicator we will use as fractal. Yeah, fine. We have three indicators. We set all the same settings. Fine. They are all set by these buttons. That's it, and that is, each indicator has its own pencil which opens in settings panel of these indicators, and there are different periods of period settings there. Okay, you can change the colors as well, and I mean I'm not bothered in any way, but I say the color yellow. Okay, that is why I'm putting exactly what I originally stood for. And on the fractal indicator we have here also it is adjusted by the size of the arrows, and that is in what else they will be lined up, and the color. Yeah, so we have a green arrow on the upside, you see, right? Bollinger Bands also we have here similarly all colors and period, and the settings that are initially they work perfectly well. In fact, just all the settings refer to those who just may have some individual analysis to charts for these indicators, and perhaps the settings of color to some just more pleasant. So friends, in fact it is no different, and we can generally start analyzing charts now using three indicators, right? So with the default settings we have $50 yeah, on our balance, looking for the right situation to enter the trade, but we will also rely on technical analysis and candlestick patterns. Look guys, I'm opening now, in this case up. So see how confidently the price is moving in this place, and wait for itself to work out. And so friends, we are hitting our first profit, and it's amazing. We already have almost $100 in the balance, and here we can pay attention to all three indicators. They did an excellent job actually with this analysis. In this case, fractal indicator shows us an arrow which tells us about further price reversal. CCI indicator, look, line also goes up, and Bollinger Bands also all lines go up. So we have earned, in this case, change the amount of the deal and continue right now. Hey traders, want to level up your trading game? Join my Telegram channel for exclusive insights, hot news and killer tips from the world of trading. Get free trading signals with 99% accuracy, life hacks and fresh trading ideas straight to your phone. Don't miss out on the action. Hit that link in the description and join our trading right now. Look friends, how confidently in this case we have the price going down, and we open in the same direction and wait for it to work itself out. According to all indicators, all lines are also going down. and we are taking our second profit. Amazing, right? Look at that, almost $200 in the balance already. That is great start actually. And but we don't stop there. Okay, change the amount of the transaction to ours and carry on. Here guys, I'm thinking of opening upwards. Look, we already got the price starting to turn around, and there are several confirming factors for entering on the upside here. So we wait for the trade to work itself out. And yes, indeed, we are taking a profit on this currency pair. Amazing. Here we can notice all the lines, first of all, go upwards, and there is also an arrow on the fractal indicator. We can be sure that in the future the price will not go upwards, and it's really did happen that way. And in addition, we also have a candlestick pattern here. It looks like this, you know, it is a reversal in this case. So here was our trade, very confident. Change the amount of the transaction and proceed. The price is moving steadily downward here. Great situation actually, and expect the price to go downwards in the future as well. And our next deal closes, friends, in the plus side. Look, indeed, we have the price has gone further down, and here we relied not only on indicators. Everything here is quite simple, like all lines go down and the arrow also. So we are also pulling away from resistance levels here as well, and we are doing a little technical analysis. Friends, we can notice that the price went for reversal from this level, so we earned in this case amazingly. And look at the sapphire stations where we have all these factors, and come on, okay, all the lines go in the right direction, and the technical analysis also works perfectly, right? So we can open in one direction or another with confidence. When we have these surefire situations, so we change the amount of the deal. Look guys, I see the price reversal already here, and we have a fairly similar situation as the previous time. That is why we are opening lower. And now our price has gone down, yes, and we take a profit on this currency pair. You should not always open in the direction of price movement and the trend, you know. In this case, we can see that the price was moving rapidly upward, but we opened down and earned. First of all, the arrows show as the further price reversal, and all the indicators are also reversing. So going down, yeah, well, also similar situation. We have, as I said, there is also a resistance level, similar situation. Yeah, now let's see some other currency pairs to make more money. And lo and behold, here I open on downtrend, downward trend. Yeah, this is exactly the situation in which you should open, exactly in the direction of price movement, waiting for the deal to work itself out. And yes, friends, indeed the price went further downward, like despite the fact that we even have arrows on the fractal indicator, okay? But here we also relied on technical analysis. Here we can note such a small trading corridor, friends, so it looks and we can observe in this case that we have the price has not yet reached the lower boundary. Okay, accordingly we open on the trend and and aren't just as the price in this case already reached the lower boundary, and in the future it will run it will turn around to go in the opposite direction, but we'd rather deal with some other situation. What do you say? Like, let's change the amount of the transaction. Like, we have got a pretty good amount already, actually, you see that, right? And we have one more trade left to open, so, and that's pretty much where we will stop. Look folks, like, this is where I open on the downside, and here we have a very interesting and unusual situation, which is quite rare. And when we trade the trade works out, like, I will explain you why we open downwards. Here friends, take out profit. Like, look at that, almost $5,000. Like, wow, on the balance already now, and that is where we opened down. So not even because we have all the lines going down on the indicators, also, and arrows, we can also notice even two arrows. In this case we have here a figure out of technical analysis. So here in this case we can notice such a figure of technical analysis as a double bottom, right? So that is how it looks, and accordingly, when the price before this figure went up, respectively after this figure the price goes down as well, and everything is quite simple here. And there are many such figures of technical analysis, and it is in this case that we got it. And if you add up both the technical analysis and all the indicators that we are using today, you know, our whole combination in this case, our trade was very confident, friends. That is why we made a pretty good amount of money. What do you say? That's amazing today. I think we can generally stop over here, and I would also like to note that in our Telegram channel, friends, we are going to in more details how to use these trading strategies and trading indicators, of course, and how to find patterns. So go over and subscribe to all my social networks. So today we had such a win-win strategy with an interesting, rather unusual combinations, right, of indicators as well, and also interesting stations. So today we have sorted out with you, friends, and thanks a lot, such as technical analysis figures and general technical analysis in general. Like, we can stop here. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.